Here some question are given. Question is that a cube plus b cube is equal to 2 root 5. A square b plus ab square is equal to root 5. What is the value of a? What is the value of b? How to solve this problem? Let us start. If you come in my channel first time, please subscribe my channel. Let us start solution. First of all, see here. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. After next step, see here. From equation number 2. See here equation number 2 telling that a square b plus a b square is equal to root 5. After next step, see here. Take common a b bracket open, left it a plus left it b bracket close is equal to root 5. This is equation number 3. After next step, see here. From algebraic formula, we know that a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab bracket open a plus b. Let's see here. A plus b whole cube is equal to, see here, a cube plus b cube. We know that from equation number 1. From equation number 1, a cube plus b cube is equal to 2 root 5. So I put here 2 root 5 plus here 3. We know that ab into a plus b from equation number 3. See here, ab into a plus b is equal to root 5. So put here root 5. After next step, see here. After next step, a plus b whole cube is equal to how much? 2 plus 3 means 5 root 5. After next step, see here, we know that root 5 will be written as 5 into 5. So see here, a plus b whole cube is equal to root 5 into root 5 into root 5. After next step, see here, a plus b whole cube is equal to root 5 whole cube. After next step, taking cube root on both side. See here, cube root under a plus b whole cube is equal to cube root under root 5 whole cube. See here, root, cube root or 3 cancel, cube root 3 cancel, left it a plus b is equal to root 5. After next step, see here, this is equation number 4. After next step, see here, recall equation number 3. Equation number 3 telling that ab into a plus b is equal to how much? Root 5. After next step, see here. After next step, see here, we know that a plus b value how much? See here, from equation number 4, a plus b is equal to root 5. So a plus b into root 5 bracket close is equal to root 5. After next step, see here, both side divided by divided by root 5. Both side divided by root 5. So see here, AB into root 5 divided by root 5 is equal to root 5 divided by root 5. Here cancel. Left it, AB is equal to 1. After next step, see here, both side divided by A. See here, AB divided by A is equal to 1 divided by A. Here A cancel, left it. Therefore, B is equal to 1 divided by A. 1 divided by A. Recall equation number 4. Equation number 4 telling that A plus B is equal to root 5. After next step, see here, we know that B value how much? A plus B value 1 divided by A is equal to root 5. Take LCM A here, A square plus 1 is equal to root 5. This A come this side. Therefore, A square plus 1 is equal to root 5A. Root 5A. After next step, see here, this whole come this side. See here, A square minus root 5A plus 1 is equal to 0. After next step, see here, this is quadratic equation form. So here A is equal to 1, B is equal to root 5 minus root 5, C is equal to 1. After next step, see here, quadratic equation formula is that A is equal to minus B plus minus root under B square minus 4AC divided by 2A. After next step, see here, A is equal to how much? B value minus root 5 plus minus root under B square means minus root 5 whole square minus 4 into A value 1, C value 1 divided by 2 into 1. A is equal to minus plus root 5 plus minus root under, see here, how much? 5 minus 4 divided by 2. After next step, A is equal to root 5 plus minus root under 5 minus 4. Left it 1 divided by 2. After next step, see here, A is equal to root 5 plus minus 1 divided by 2. Here A value how much? A1 is equal to root 5 plus 1 divided by 2. Here A2 is equal to root 5 minus 1 divided by 2. After next step, see here, recall equation B is equal to 1 divided by A. Therefore, see here, B is equal to how much? 1 divided by A value how much? Root 5 plus 1 divided by 2. These two come upper. Therefore, B is equal to 2 divided by root 5 plus 1. Root 5 plus 1. This side, see here, B is equal to root 5. B is equal to 1 divided by root 5 minus 1 divided by 2. B is equal to 2 divided by root 5 minus 1. After next step, see here, in this side, both side multiply with, see here, root 5 minus 1, root 5 minus 1. After next step, in this side, see here, root 5 plus 1, root 5 plus 1. After next step, much? 2 into root 5 minus 1 divided by root 5 plus 1 into root 5 minus 1. We know that A plus B into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square form. Therefore, b is equal to how much? 2 bracket open root 5 minus 1 divided by root 5 whole square minus 1 square. Root square cancel. B is equal to how much? 2 bracket open root 5 minus 1 divided by 4. Here cancel. Therefore, b is equal to root 5 minus 1 divided by 2. This is the b value. After b2 is equal to how much? 2 into root 5 plus 1 divided by root 5 minus 1 whole square into root 5 plus 1. See here, b is equal to how much? 2 root 5 plus 1 divided by root 5 whole square minus 1 square. Therefore, b is equal to 2 into bracket open root 5 plus 1 divided by 5 minus 1. b is equal to 2 into root 5 plus 1 divided by 4. Here cancel 2. Therefore, b is equal to root 5 plus 1 divided by 2. This is the b2 value. Therefore, a comma b value is that. See here, a value how much? A value root 5 plus 1 comma root 5 minus 1. B value, see here, b value, b1 value root 5 minus 1 divided by 2 comma root 5 plus 1 divided by 2. This is the final value of a and b. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.